So I've just come in to look at a job for a builder I do a lot of work for. The one I did, if you watch the video with the expensive shower and the gym and everything in it, it's a mate of mine, Scott. I went to school with him. He's got a big building company. So he's just bought a new house for himself, which he's doing up. So I've never been here before, so we've got to go down and have a look. I don't know roughly where it is. I'm assuming it's down here. Looks to be. Yeah, I think it is. Right, let's have a drive down. I'm assuming that's it there. Yeah, this is definitely the one. Right, so I've not been here before, so we will go. He's here somewhere. He just wants me to basically have a look over it. From what I know, we're having underfloor heating on it, and basically the lot, there's nothing in it, so we'll have a look and see what's going on. Nice place. So he's already moved in by the looks of it. He's got his wicker stuff here. Very nice, very nice. So yeah, so I'll go and find him in a minute, but I'm assuming we're fully underfloor heating it.
Right.
Hello, mate.
Come at the right time.
Nice gaff.
Yeah.
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's big, Scotty. It's big.
Yeah. That's got all go. That's all vaulted.
Really?
Yeah. But obviously they're working decks at the moment. Worktop. You should have seen them. There was no concrete here.
Was there not?
Yeah, Dougie's literally just building these brick walls.
Oh, of course they've been here for ages, haven't they?
Well, no, he done all that on the outside. Yeah. Because the guy who tried to build an extension he didn't have. No, he's just built these now. Yesterday and this week, basically.
Oh, right.
These panels.
Nice, mate. Nice. Look at these fresh beams up here for me.
Well, you've come at a good time because Paul's here, my mate.
Yeah.
Lives next door. He owns professional. Well, he did own professional energy.
Yeah.
He's still got a good share in it. And he was on about helping me out with the ground source and the heating side of it.
Yeah.
And I think he had a good idea about what he thought would be best route for hot and cold and stuff. He's going to see about getting someone to have a look at underfloor heating. You mentioned someone as well the other day.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I want to get it in and breathe it before Christmas.
Oh, so it's all got to be laid before then?
Yeah.
How you doing, mate? All right?
Hey, I'm alright.
Yeah, I'm good.
Paul.
How you doing?
Good, bud.
Yeah, I'm good.
I've only got 3 million from that.
Let's turn that down.
He's a man after my own heart.
What's that?
Now.
Music.
Oh no, only because I get copyrighted on that and I can't fucking show anything. Turn it back on when I finish.
A man after my own heart.
It's nice, Scotty, though, isn't it?
Will be. Yeah, we're getting there. But I'm under a bit of pressure.
Yeah.
Because the kitchen was booked in 6 months ago.
What, to be fitted?
For February.
To be fitted?
Yeah, yeah.
Right, okay.
Fucking Tyler was also booked in before I realised I was 3 weeks late at Kumar's and then I had a week off for hospital.
Yeah.
Plus I was slow last week.
Right.
All I really need you to do before you can do anything is a shower tray. Because
oh, we can feed from behind.
everything, the waste is over there.
Where's your valve going here?
Yeah, for the shower. Yeah. So
Waste's where? In here.
waste is right over in that corner. Bath one as well.
Where's your bath going? At the end here?
Yeah.
So you're having a bath?
Toilet, sink and shower tray.
So toilet, sink and bath, waste ain't a problem.
Yeah. And your water as well. And we thought, Paul came up with the idea that everything's going in that far corner downstairs.
Yeah.
The tanks.
Yeah.
So
But you're having pressurised hot water? How many bathrooms you got?
4. 3 upstairs and there's the downstairs cloakroom that hasn't got a shower.
300 litre?
Yeah. Yeah. So what we want to do, well, 400 I want to put in. He said 300.
Do you want a 400, Scott? Have a 400.
sake
It's
of it.
fucking money, isn't it?
I had a 500 in my
Buy
boat.
air source heat pump to heat it up. So if it just three. If you want to go, we'll compromise on 4. We're happy.
This one.
You don't really want to be going up and down and up and down.
Where I'm actually going to get it. Yeah, but you have to go straight across
Can you
the
not?
floor.
Can we not go under here?
There's nothing here.
Is this? Oh, this is a completely
Closed.
Right. Okay. So that's the. So this is going to be empty.
This is vaulted.
Right.
There
Okay.
is a stair landing going here.
Right. Okay.
With steels with those thingies in.
So we're gonna. Yeah, it's gonna have to then, isn't it? Ideally, you don't want to, but
It'll be all right, pressurised.
yeah, pressurised, but you still get. You'll still.
System, you get problems,
But it's usually better to go just up instead of up, down, up, down.
Yeah, yeah.
But it is what it is. So.
So well, if you want, but this bathroom will have to be on its own feed coming across that floor.
Yeah.
And then there's a shower tray here, and a fucking big copper bath there, 2 metre one, sink, toilet, and then boxing that.
Where's
in
the waste
slightly.
for this? There, down there.
Just in that corner,
Yeah.
which we haven't put in yet. But this is Jack and Jill.
Yeah.
So there's a bath there with a shower down there, and then just a toilet sink in it. And I think we're going to move this back to here, so they've got a bit of a step down into it, down it completely, to make it feel a bit bigger. Because there's a door there and door there for it.
So where's your waste? Is that coming up?
Yeah, so we'll have to put some 2x2 frame here, but I didn't want to do it until you worked out what you're doing. You could have been further in the corner, but the floor joist is here.
This is what it is, isn't it? Where's your toilet going? Under the window?
No, it's because he's got to. Toilet and sink's got to be here. So probably the toilet here, sink here,
Otherwise you're
or the other way around, whatever. Yeah.
So I've just had a bit of a look round with it, gone through it with Scott, and this is basically going to be. This has been in the back of the diary for a good few months now. So this is going to be the project for probably the next couple of months, going into the new year. It's basically a big, massive barn conversion. So what I'm going to do is going to drop the people at Snug, Steve and Jen at Snug, to see if we can get them to quote up for all the underfloor heating. You can stand there, Dougie, look, it's not doing anything. So we've got manifolds here for underfloor heating. All this is underfloor heating. All this is coming out. We'll have this will be the plant room's going to go there, air source, heat pumps, companies coming in to do all that. So I've basically got to take your cold into it, this, that and the other, get all that sorted, and then flowing returns out of here, some manifolds. There'll be another manifold here to feed this area and the kitchen, and then a manifold, I say, over there to feed all of this, and another manifold round there. And then upstairs we'll have another bathroom here. All this will be underfloor heating as well. Underfloor heating over there. We've got a jet on colds over there. Look at this! Look, this is real. This is what goes on sites. This is how we do the fucking work.
Scaffolders weren't available.
So all that'll be underfloor heating there. Inside here, got a bathroom going here. Again, underfloor heating. Various points for the manifolds in there. But yeah, all that floor will be gone. So all this is going to be completely vaulted. So that in here is going to be the kitchen. Huge, massive kitchen. But yeah. So that's going to be a pretty big project. So after we've done this, after I've done the sunken bathroom, I don't know when you'll be seeing this, whether I've just started it, just finished it, or about to start it. But after that, so December, I'm going to be predominantly here on this huge, massive build. Yeah, be a bit of fun, something a little bit different for the channel. Again, you'll be following me through the whole of it, as per usual. So look forward to it.